So this is the proper way to fold clothes. It's easy to take them out, put them away, and everything stays organized. 1. Can't ever find matching pairs of socks? Just fold the socks together and roll them up. This way, you won't have to search everywhere for them. I'm such a genius. 2. Every girl should learn this. Fold your underwear immediately after washing it. Just shape it as shown in the video to help prevent bacteria buildup. 3. Here's how to fold a shirt. Fold both sleeves inward, then fold the shirt in half from the bottom. This makes it look very neat. The folded shirt looks just like one freshly bought from a store. 4. Still don't know how to fold t-shirts? First, fold in the sleeves, then fold the collar downward. Next, fold both sides toward the center. You can fold the t-shirt into the size of a book, making it very convenient for storage. 5. I love wearing dresses in summer, but I never know how to fold them. Simply turn the dress around, then fold both sides of the skirt inward. This makes dresses easy to fold and helps prevent wrinkles. 6. I just learned this method for folding jeans today. Fold the waistband downward, then fold up the pant legs. After that, tuck the pant legs into the waistband. This keeps the jeans from getting wrinkled. 7. Pajamas can actually be folded together. First, fold the pajama pants in half, then fold them into a small block shape. Next, fold the pajama top sleeves as shown in the video. Finally, place the pajama pants on top of the pajama top. This makes storing them together very easy, and you won't have to worry about losing matching pajama sets anymore.